a fucking problem. I am the hardest worker in every fucking room. You ain't gonna push me off my path. You ain't gonna stop me from achieving my goals. You ain't gonna hold me fucking back. It ain't happening because I'm a fucking problem. I am relentless in my pursuit of greatness. I'm a fucking savage when it comes down to my work ethic. I will never be fucking stopped. My why drags me towards it. My goals push me further than anyone else because I'm a fucking problem. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for every fucking person that said I wouldn't be shit. I'm coming for every fucking person that said I wasn't worthy of success. I'm coming. I'm a fucking problem. Look out.